Are you cruising the Cabo San Lucas but don't want to book an expensive and crowded tour offered by the ship? Then join us, Clint and Amber, as we seek out on our own to find an awesome day in Cabo that doesn't break the bank. Let's get started. Welcome to Cabo San Lucas. We're gonna walk around the marina. We're gonna try to find a water taxi out to Divorce and Lovers Beach. It is chaotic here. Everybody's meeting up for their excursions once they get off the tender boats.
So we're gonna get away from this and go do our own thing.
Yeah, we did not book any type of excursion, especially through the ship. We're really just gonna explore on our own, take a water taxi out to the beach. Really, it's gonna be a simple, affordable day.
Julio, my name is Julio. Tamicos.
Tamicos.
Store. As you can see the art, the sea lions that head to the Scooby-Doo, neck to finger, and sand, Pacific Window, Lover Beach, and the Pelican Rock. After, you can trap us out to the beach and bring it back later. 20 per person.
20 per person. That's $40 for a good day. Julio with Tamico Tours, right off the pier, over by Senor Frogs in the main area here. Thank you. So we paid 20 per person for the tour, and then you'll pay $1 per person as like the marina fee or like the protected area fee, whatever. There's a fee, $1 per person.
Use your capital.
All right.
Welcome, where'd you step?
Yeah. Oh, you got me. Right in the face.
Oh, sorry. This is Lovers Beach. On one side you have the giant waves of the Pacific Ocean, and the other side a much calmer Sea of Cortez. It's a gem in Cabo San Lucas, and it's definitely worth a trip to get out here to experience it. The Lands End tour will take you to many interesting rock formations, but none compared to the famous El Arco. Up on the tour of Lands End. About to get dropped off over at Lovers Beach. We're gonna go check all that out now. Can I help you? Ready? Woo! Can I help you? Oh yeah. Okay. Be sure to arrange a pickup time and always remember the name of your boat, as there are many water taxis coming to this beach. Babe, I think they want some food.
This is mine. On it. Here's another one.
Oh, yeah, Pedro sells bracelets, sells tattoos.
If you own Divorce and Lovers Beach, come see Pedro.
Yeah, to the Pacific side and the Sea of Cortez.
All right, so we're wrapping things up here at Divorce and Lovers Beach. Before we were dropped off here, we arranged a pickup time for 1:45. We're heading back to Lovers Beach, where we're gonna be picked up by our water taxi and then head back to the marina. What do you think about it?
It's beautiful, really pretty. The waves got huge for a little while. Seriously reminded us of Hawaii. It's pretty, just chilled.
Back to the marina. We're gonna check out Cabo San Lucas. There's our boat, Yoshi.
He came back. We're not stranded.
This is the fun part. All right, how was that?
Refreshing. Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, you ready to eat?
Yeah, I also need to find a baño.
They're like big water dogs. Such a weird animal. Oh, there he is.
There he is. He came back. Look, he's putting on a show.
Hey, hey you. What's up?
Oh my God, he looked at you.
Hey, buddy. Yeah, so yeah, this is Cabo San Lucas when there are 4 cruise ships in port. It's very busy. And we're gonna try to find something to eat, but I have no idea where to go. This thing is huge.
I'm about to be happy.
Dig in. This is Hector here at Taco Loco.
Taco Loco.
Taco Loco. Amazing food, good prices.
Thank you,
See
buddy.
this guy, amazing service.
Video, how about it?
All right,
Take care, buddy.
Good time. So this is Taco Loco. That's Hector right there. I know it's easy to go somewhere and have a good meal and be like, this is the best place ever, but we genuinely enjoyed this place. It was a very good price. Hector is a really cool guy, great service, and just genuine people. Definitely come check this place out. It's just right across the street from the Giggling Marlin, right here next to all the shopping. Come see Hector.
That was seriously one of the best meals I've had in my life. I know that probably sounds cliche, but I didn't have incredibly high expectations. I thought it was just going to be like some good tacos. It was delicious. I was heartbroken that I couldn't finish my plate. It was good, really good, and good people.
What are we about to do now?
We're about to go find you some Mexican candy.
Dang right, we're gonna get some Mexican candy. If we can find a place that sells it.
Are you guys shopping, amigos? Something special?
No, thank you. So the candy store is a little bit of a walk. A couple blocks away from the touristy area, but I think it's gonna be worth it. We'll see. They told us to look for the piñatas. So we can give this a shot, see if this is the place we're looking for. Oh yeah, okay, so this is a party store. That's why they have the piñatas up front. And there is a ton of Mexican candy. Check it out. Okay, I'm a little overwhelmed because I don't know any of this candy, but there's a bunch. Sweet, there's what I'm looking for, but especially that. The extra spicy pulparindo. Hey, I'm in hog heaven. I got my pulparindo, got the extra spicy. They don't have the mango. Mango is one of my favorites, but my absolute favorite is the extra spicy, and I do have that. You gotta pick something out too.
I don't know what any of this is. I don't have the Mexican candy fetish like you do.
It's a fetish, that's weird. Alright. You happy?
Yeah. Got what you wanted. Got caramels for the girls. This is Clint stuff.
My goodness, it's loud.
And one of those. I don't know what any of this is, but he does.
We're going.
I'd like to go back to the cruise ship.
Okay, okay.
Awesome. How much?
$20.
$20, okay.
Oh, let
La fusión perfecta.
There we go. Yeah, so we walked pretty good ways to get out here, to get to the good food, get to the candy shop. We're gonna take the bike back to the cruise ship.
Esa muchacha me va a enloquecer. Ese cuerpo.
Princess Bay.
There you go.
Straight. Go. We got this.
We're the winners. You're the losers. Hey, we will win. Good times. We are already almost back. That's so much faster than walking all the way back.
Woo-hoo!
We're the winners. You're the losers. We're the winners. We are the winners. You're the losers. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Have a great day.
You too.
Careful.
Thank you.
Discussion with Deb.
You know what? Right.
Woo, we're home.
Home sweet home. That brings us to a grand total of $108 for an awesome day in Cabo San Lucas for two. Really not bad at all.